Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, this is the position of God, that He is everywhere. Annantarastham paramanuchayantarastham. He is within this universe. He is within the atom also. Annantarastham paramanucha. Ekapasau rachayatam jagadanda koti jachaktirasti jagadanda chayajadantam annantarastham paramanuchayantarastham govindamadi purusam tamang bhajami. This is Brahma Samhita. The Lord, by expansion of one of His plenary portion, He is existing within this universe, not only within the universe, but within the atom also. Anoraniyaga mahato mahiya. This is God's qualification, that He can become the greater than the greatest. Just like we have got conception, the greatest, this universe. We cannot even imagine how long, how far it is extended. But such universes are coming out from the breathing of Mahavishnu. Jakkarananavajali bhajati isma jugam nidravanantam saroma kupam. From his breathing, when he exhales, innumerable universes come out, and when he inhales, all those universes again enters. Bhutta bhutta praliyat. It is generated and again annihilated. This is going on. This is one side, that universes, innumerable universes, can be put into the nostril hole of the Mahavishnu. On another side, he can enter even within the atom. This is God, consciousness. Anoraniyaga mahato mahiya. He is greater than the greatest. We generally say God is great, but we do not know how great He is. People say God is great, but we have no conception how great He is. He is so great that He can swallow innumerable universes within His belly. Just like when Krishna was challenged by his mother, that show me your face. You say that you have not eaten the earth. Your friends complain, and you say that you have not eaten. So I want to see. Open your mouth. So when you open, he saw all the universes within his mouth. All the universe. He proved, my dear mother, not only little earth, but the whole universe is within my mouth. So when Mother Jashoda was astonished, she thought something illusory. All right, don't do it again. That's all. She does not know that here is the Supreme Personality of Godhead to show me His mercy has become my child. She does not know. She always thinks, He is my child. She is under my control. This is the relationship of the Supreme Personality of Godhead with His devotee. This is wanted. Simply to understand God is very great, that is not sufficient knowledge. When you deal with the great, exchange your relationship with the great, that is perfection. That is perfection. Suppose your president is very great. That's all everyone knows. President is very great. But what shall I derive out of that? When I actually deal with him, I become his friend, I become his servant, I become his secretary, I become somewhere or other. If I am related with that great personality, that is my benefit. Otherwise, what is the use? Knowing, President Nixon is very, there are so many. What I am deriving from that gate, this is Krishna consciousness. The Mayavadi philosophers, they simply remain silent. Oh, God is very great. And they cannot imagine how great he is. But a devotee can understand how great he is. He can see that innumerable universes are within the mouth of God. This is the position of devotee. This is not sufficient knowledge. God is great. God must be great. That's all right. But unless you come in dealing with that great, you cannot relish actually what is God and how great he is. So here Kunti says, Alaksam sarvabhutana. Sarvabhutana, all living entities, alaksam, you are invisible. Invisible, although antarbhi avastitam, you are within and without. God is within yourself. Ishara sarvabhutana riddesho arjuna tisthati. Ishara, the Supreme Lord, is situated in everyone's heart. The yoga system means to see, find out that God, Paramatma, or meditate upon Him. Now the yoga system has come down as bodily exercise to keep the health very good, to reduce fat. This is yoga system. This is not yoga system. This is a bodily exercise. Real yoga is, the God is within me, but He is invisible. Alaksham. Antarbhi, although He is within and without, still I cannot see. So, meditation means concentrating the mind to find out God where He is within my heart. That is real perfection of yoga. So people do not know this science. Here it is nicely explained. Antarbhi avastitam, the Virat Roop, just like Arjuna wanted to see the gigantic form of God. He showed him. So we can see the gigantic form in this universe. That is described in the Bhagavatam. You have read that the big mountains, hills, they are the bones of the gigantic form. So they are described. The highest planetary system, Brahmaloka, is the head. How do it is called? Skull? What is this portion? No, what is the English? This skull. So, the rivers are the veins. The seas are the holes like here we have got. In this way it is all described. The gigantic form. So, and the gigantic form at the same time He is within your heart, very small form. So He is within and without. Simply we have to purify our eyes to see. That's all. You can see God without and within. But you cannot see with these eyes. These materially contaminated eyes or materially contaminated senses, you cannot understand by these senses. But God can be perceived, can be seen by these senses, by these eyes, when you purify it.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuda habe shuniha sabara shoka duka je guchi bhe nachao prabhu nachao se mate Bhakti Vedanta Nam Ebe Sartha Karo Bhakti Vedanta Nam Ebe Sartha